Hello everybody, my name is Chris and I'm here with a very quick PanelForge tutorial. Sometimes in an episode or a scene or a show, you'll have the need to have two of the same thing in shots at the same time. And we've decided that at this moment in Digby Dragon, it'd be great if we could have actually two Mungos in shot. So the easy thing to do is to highlight Mungo here in your stage outliner, as you can see it's highlighted. And we just come across, we do Control-C, Control-V, and then as you see, Mungos appear below, and hey presto, two Mungos, brilliant. Now, what we can do is to differentiate between these two is we can renumber them. So we can have Mungo 1, and we can right click on here, and we can maybe call this one Mungo 2, for example. There we go. And then we have two Mungos differentiated. That's okay if you're using your stage outliner and concentrating on it all the time. However, if you've got a really action scene where Mungo's flying around with other Mungo and you really need to keep track of who's where when you're keying out your animation, there is another way you can use the stage materials which will help you in a much more visual way. So the first thing we need to do is in the stage outline, we go to the stage materials menu top and we click and we see default material. If your stage materials box isn't here for any reason, come up to the window and look down and it should be ticked. There it is, stage materials. So we have that, brilliant. So we have our new Mungo highlighted and we're going to add in this box stage materials, and we have an untitled material. And we come down to the box below, the stage object attributes, and we click on this tab. Here we see a label box. We'll change this to the real Mungo. And we go to the diffuse color box and we just double click on that and we get our selection of colors. So we'll go for this nice deep blue and we'll click OK. And then we go to the Assign Materials button and we click on that. And there you go, easily done. So we now have two different Mungos named differently. If I go back to the stage outliner, you can see Mungo 2 is blue and Mungo is yellow. So we now have a very quick and easy way to make a visual difference between two of the same props in the same shot. Now, the other good thing we can do is if you're set in stage outliner and you have your new Mungo highlighted and you want your new Mungo in your next shot, we can just do Control-C, then we click to our following panel, and because we're in stage outliner, we click Control-V, and very simple way to get him into as many panels as you would like. I hope this has been helpful and of use, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks very much.